National Nutrition Professional Supplement Reviews. 3 minutes of the latest natural health info with Canada's leading natural health experts. Watch, learn, and get healthy naturally.
Hi, I'm Joy McCarthy, holistic nutritionist, author, and health expert for nationalnutrition.ca. Here's a 3-minute professional supplement review of thyme. Did you know that thyme was historically used as a food preservative? Thyme is best known as a fragrant culinary spice used in Italian cuisine. Today it's used by cooks all over the world and by herbalists for a wide variety of ailments. Thyme is a well-known home remedy for chest and respiratory problems like coughs, colds, chest congestion, and bronchitis. Many people drink the tea or use the essential oil in steam inhalations for colds, coughs, and congestion. Thyme oil is also used topically for fungal infections of the skin and scalp. So the next time you're wondering how to treat toenail fungus, consider using thyme essential oil. It's also used in mouthwashes because it kills germs and it can be gargled to relieve a sore throat. Thyme also makes a great digestive aid because it relieves gas and bloating. Try drinking a cup of thyme tea after meals. So how does thyme work? By now you might have guessed that thyme is a natural antimicrobial and will kill bacteria and fungus. This is why it has been used as a food preservative. Thymol is the active volatile oil that gives thyme its antimicrobial properties. Food scientists are studying thyme as a natural food preservative and have found that it can lower harmful bacteria on fresh produce. Harmful bacteria in food can trigger diarrhea and can cause food poisoning. It's a great idea to add thyme to your uncooked foods like salads in order to prevent food poisoning. It's great in a vinaigrette or added fresh. The optimum dosage for thyme is 60 to 120 drops of the tincture daily. You can use thyme essential oil topically as long as it's diluted in a carrier oil. Never apply undiluted essential oils directly to the skin. Thyme is a herb you can grow yourself and tastes great in salads, bean dishes, pastas, and tomato-based sauces. You can also use the fresh or dried herb to make a tea. Just add 3 sprigs of the fresh thyme to a cup of boiled water and sweeten with Manuka honey. Healthcare practitioners recommend steam inhalations with thyme to clear congestion. Thyme is available as fresh or dried bulk herb, encapsulated dried herb, tincture, and as an essential oil. The format you use is a matter of personal preference. Use thyme with other antimicrobials like oregano oil, garlic, and Manuka honey. Take it with vitamin C and D to boost your immune system. So remember, thyme is a spice that can relieve chest and respiratory problems like coughs, colds, and bronchitis. Drink 2 to 3 cups of the tea with Manuka honey to relieve a cold and chest congestion, or use the essential oil in a steam inhalation. Try the essential oil topically for minor skin infections. That's our review of thyme. Check out more of our natural health videos, subscribe, and post your questions below. And remember, knowledge is health.